I sneezed on my dick. Welcome back.
Oh, what a great start.
So, yeah, I sneezed on my dick today on accident. I did not mean, for it to happen. I was just pissing while there was a guy who decided to go between me and Justin in the middle of a pee.
I had to take a piss, so you know the men logic where you have to go one over.
That's not logic. That's law.
Or unless it's the airport, and you have to go, so that's an excuse right there. But this boy, the stalls were empty. He decides, let me go in between, let me just.
He's like, you know what?
And he waits. He just waits. And then when I get done, he magically gets done.
Yeah, but the main story, I sneezed on my dick.
He sneezed on his dick. I laughed so hard, and I can just imagine in my head just go.
Because I'm having allergy shit right now, and I was looking down, I was like peeing, and I just felt, I'm like, oh no. Oh no.
Twice. 3 times. Twice, 3 times.
3 times.
3 times.
I sneezed 3 times. Luckily, it was just spit. Anyways, hey, welcome back. It's been some time. I lost my Sony Vegas because I punched my computer too hard. John knows because he's stop giving me the look. John.
You stupid piece of shit.
And then blue screen at death.
It's been I can't fight this, dude. I was so pissed, and the thing is, I'm starting to do the same thing with my Mac. But then I remember, oh shit, remember what happened with Sony Vegas? Let's just calm down.
I give you Mac another year before it dies.
That's what John always says. I'll give it another year before it dies. It magically doesn't die.
It's Xavier. It's gonna die.
Yeah, it's gonna just
Oh, I get pissed at technology, except when it comes to consoles. Then, back then I used to abuse my PlayStation 2 when it didn't load a disc right. Like, why aren't you working? And I did the same thing with my Nintendo 64. I was an idiot. But then I stopped.
Mario Party.
Pause. For fire code reasons, Iron Poop 142 has left the session. He says bye and gives hopes and dreams to us too, and says ching chong to the rest of you.
Sayonara.
I'm Captain Loggins. This is
I'm Captain Loggins and you're on a cruise.
You want to talk about that? How we're being haunted by GTA music?
Not
now?
yet. We'll go later in the depth with that. So, what should we talk about since we posted the first podcast episode?
Let's see.
So we just made a new channel.
Specifically for the podcast.
Specifically for podcasts only. We're gonna have different layouts for it. It's gonna be the main podcast with me, Xavier, and
maybe Spencer.
And maybe John. We're gonna try to have different people in here, but mostly me and Spencer are gonna talk about sports. So if you guys want, we're mostly gonna talk about the NFL. So about week by week analysis and statistics. So we're gonna probably do that soon, probably when week 1 starts. And then for regular podcasts, we're just gonna, we're just gonna regularly talk about whatever, So let's get into it about what has happened over the past couple months, ever since somebody broke their laptop and had Sony Vegas get cut.
Yeah, I was working on a video. I spent a week and a half on it. And I spent the half part was because it blue screened on me, so it only saved half of my progress. And I was in the middle of doing finishing up my subtitles, and I had to do all that shit again. But once it blue screened on me again, it just slammed on it and tried to turn it on. Never turned back on. It did something with the hardware, something with the disc inside. currently I got the drive out. I'm gonna see if I can salvage what I can from it. What else happened? During the summer, my boy and I, and a new friend in the group, who will eventually replace John, aka Spencer, tall bastard, great man.
You haven't heard his voice yet, but when we do our NFL,
But he talks like this. Yeah. And then he just doesn't talk. The end. Okay. Okay.
Did we tell him that we got a job, or was that when you...
No, we last time we were here, I don't think we actually told anyone we had jobs.
No.
I think that's better that way.
Yeah.
But we have jobs. We have a job at a specific place that makes only $11 an hour. So
also, it's an interesting job where we can see interesting people and customers all the time. So
mostly Indians.
Yeah, basically where we live, and I don't like it. Anyway, so what did we do over the summer?
We went to Six Flags. Since Spencer. This is new stupid ride that we waited 75 minutes for, 90 minutes for.
Yeah.
The ones that go 60 miles an hour. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Every time we got closer to it, the louder the gunshot sounded.
Anyway, we waited in line for like an hour, maybe an hour and 10 minutes, and
not worth it.
It was not worth it. I forgot what the ride was called, but immediately as you leave the area when you get on, it's supposed to take you like 5 miles an hour towards the area, and then you get blasted into a cave.
Oblivion.
Yeah.
It's just...
It's about 60 miles an hour.
60 miles an hour.
It doesn't, but it's like a 3-second ride. It should have been longer, but it was just a 3-second ride where you just go loop-de-loop-de-loop.
And pull.
And your shoes are looking good. So the ride is done. And that was the worst 3 seconds of my life.
But then again, wasted. It did look like it was just a prototype. So if anything, this is going to be more roller coasters like that in the future. But we did manage to go on every ride. Yeah. So bucket list complete.
It took us. We got there.
Like at opening hour.
Around 9:45.
Opening
10.
hour.
Yeah, opening hour. And it took us the whole day to get on all the rides. We probably would have made it less time if we didn't wait for that stupid ride, but we didn't know how long it would be. But yeah, after that, we went on every ride, and voila.
we also did some of the we did miss some of the optional rides, like the little bicycle one, but like Justin and Spencer didn't want to, and I want to go spinny on it, but no. Want to go at the Pharaoh, you just go up, with no belt or anything. It looks like you're about to fall off the higher you go.
That is true.
Yeah, but that's fun,
Yeah. So, I don't really have a lot to talk about.
But we do. Well, there's so much that happened in the summer, but we just can't really pick one.
Oh, so I got a new lightsaber. I
got a new lightsaber.
So we'll probably...
We got new lightsabers.
Yeah, we'll probably post a little short clip.
Right here
of us, turning the lightsaber on and whacking each other with it.
Oh God, we actually have to do that now.
Now we got to do it and post a little video of it.
Maybe you won't actually see us whacking each other with it. You just see like hands just hitting each other with lightsabers.
But you gotta admit, when you see it, it's pretty cool. I thought Disney kind of lost the game with their lightsabers,
But I got myself a Mace Windu lightsaber. But the lightsabers we're talking about is so much better. Hey, Mace Windu lightsaber, limited edition. Not hurt whatsoever. Out the box, fresh as new, on display right now. You want it? $300.
Sorry.
Let's see. If you're listening to this now on the audio version, there's not going to be any. Do you want this on YouTube?
What?
This audio?
The audio?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Well, I'm gonna get the second episode out, and as soon as that, I'm gonna work on the third episode.
Yeah. Well.
We just want the audio.
Because we'll do the audio here.
This part will be cut out.
Yeah. Okay, and we're back.
Okay. So people subscribing, awesome. I've finally hit 40 subscribers. When 50 happens, I'll just post a compilation of just dumb shit. Maybe.
It's mostly about me doing dumb shit.
But it's mostly me doing dumb shit as well. See, my last edited episode was mostly me, and I felt great because it was me being very pissed at a ranked game.
Oh yeah, because I shot you in the head.
Shut the fuck up.
Because of me, you wouldn't have had that rage.
Because of you or Julio, we would have won.
Yeah.
We would have won.
But it's all because of me, because you had that, so...
Shut the fuck up, H2O delivery. Yeah, Vanos is dead. PewDiePie got married. And...
In case you've been,
slacking on
stuck in a cave or whatnot. Yeah, so...
Shit's been happening. Fuck, dude. There's so much that happened. I can't remember. During the summer. Justin finally hit 30 subscribers.
When?
Not too long. I checked her channel.
Oh, I don't even check my own channel.
But he finally hit 30 subscribers.
I don't really check it. I
Woo! That's going in the video.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna fix this mic a little bit that's in here. I think that's good. We should just keep it.
We just died.
Put Skyrim under.
Whoosh. No. I have a GTA 5 edit coming soon. I'm just watching the 2 videos right now. I'm also gonna make a second channel. Maybe it's a little bit of experiment where it's just mostly for streams now. I'm just gonna put that up for streams, and since I figured out how to add Justin as an owner as well, he can use my email, and we could probably stream at the same time on the same account.
Yeah, so it makes it easier instead of us streaming
from separate
channels. And so we can just link it into one, and maybe it might work, maybe it won't.
Maybe
it's a test.
It's a test. So, and then my main channel is primarily for just edited videos, and we also have a channel for the podcasts. Look for that out soon. The Cap&Frag podcast. Cap&Frag podcast.
There you go. _Cap&Frag podcast.
Let's see. If we're able to share the same channel for streaming, that means Justin will be able to get time to edit his videos while doing anatomy.
Oh my god, I don't even think I'll be editing videos.
Look, I can't edit your videos.
I know, I got a lot, but like, there's a lot that I can edit that will be good content, but
you just don't know where to start.
I don't know where to start, and I'm taking anatomy and.
Well, the thing is that right now I'm going through some old GTA footage. I'm going to combine some of that. You know, where Justin goes, "Wah!" and then I'm going to combine the new footage that we have today, 2 hours and something minutes. And obviously, I'm going to add the part. If you watch the 13-minute, 15-minute, 22-minute video, I don't remember how long it is, where the gang was just laughing at a fart for like God knows how long.
Julio was there. He knows.
It was funny. Okay, it was. I'm not gonna lie.
It was funny because we're stupid enough to laugh at it, and the only reason why it got super funny
is because it was the ear rape.
It was the ear rape.
Please stop.
And so that's the ear rape version. I don't know how it sounds because I don't know how it sounds. So We'll play it back afterwards, and we'll see how it goes.
This is a sound test. Thank you, Mrs. Obama. Anyways, Elton John is gay.
Oh my God! Here we go again.
Yeah, Okay, so we saw Rocket Man, and
okay.
We never actually got to finish it. We're still planning on finishing it. I'm not sure Justin wants to though. He can share his opinion on that.
Okay, so about an hour into the movie, probably 30 minutes, I think. 30 an hour. I think an hour.
Almost an hour.
Almost an hour. About 45. Let's keep it there. About 45 minutes.
Well, actually, if we're talking about the first scene with Elton John and his manager.
Okay.
30 minutes.
Okay, 35 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever.
It's something there.
So, the scene that I really hate the most, and it just Xavier keeps playing it, or he keeps repeating the same line, is that Elton John is recording the song.
Don't Go Breaking My Heart.
Yeah, Don't Go Breaking My Heart.
This is copyrighted.
Not really. Anyway, so what happened was that after that, he saw the manager and he was like,
Wait, I'm gonna need some 5 minutes here.
Okay.
He didn't sound black, but
He was like, oi, I just give me some 5 minutes, yeah?
Yeah. Oi.
Yeah.
Oi.
Oi. Anyway, so besides that, yeah, they go in the back room.
And they fuck. That's
and keep in mind, manager is a guy.
And they fuck. Did I mention they fuck? I mean, the one part, the thing is that we tried to watch it together, but he watched it on his own while I went to class. Not very good time for him. Because apparently according to him, people were walking down, back and forth between his rooms, and they just sometimes sneak in and say, hey, I think I see a movie. What? Are those male butt cheeks against other male butt cheeks? Is that Elton John? Is this porn?
They don't even know who Elton John is. I'm
not gonna lie either. Living legend. Should be dead though. Not gonna lie. Survived the 80s. Right? Shut up.
What else? Oh my God, there's so much shit that we did.
Sahil no longer wants to hold our hands.
Okay, so
Sahil has grown. Yeah. He is a man.
We don't even know what he is.
He is so much of a man. He's probably back in India getting pussy.
I don't think he wants Indian pussy.
Yeah, he wants black pussy. Let's see. You got new jobs. We're not gonna mention her name. We just say, hey, this man's getting married.
No.
All right, he's getting married. I'm still thinking about Julio's girlfriend.
Well, let's just say his
acquaintance.
Friends with benefits so far. Let's go with that.
His acquaintance.
Okay, yeah, let's go with that.
His pal, butt buddy.
So anyway, Julio, I know you'll be hearing this, and I know you listen to every single line of it. When this is condensed, yes, we're gonna talk about you.
'Cause you're fat.
And we're gonna talk about everything that goes on.
You're
fat. Yeah. So anyway.
Stop eating Taco Bell so much. Stop it. Shut your bitch ass up. Bitch. Hey, just don't you worry, guys. One day I'm gonna get a clip. I'm gonna have Julio just say bitch. And I'm gonna keep that as a sound clip now. And whenever something happens, it's gonna be bitch. Only in Julio's voice. And I might actually go steal Justin's voice whenever he screams bitch and dies and cries in Siege.
It's every time.
Like, bitch! Something like that, right?
Oh, motherfucker! There you go.
That's yeah. I'm not going back to Siege until the new season comes out. Or the new, whatever it's called. What's it called?
I don't know.
Blood Orchid. Yeah, that's what it is. 100%. Totally. So expect videos for Siege again. I didn't do Siege because so many hackers. It was so buggy. If you saw my last video, I got a headshot. I shot the fucker in the head with Hibana. It did not register. Maybe the bullet just skinned Doc's ear. I don't know. I'm still looking at that. Illuminati confirmed.
I don't know what to talk about. I'm drawing a blank.
John disappeared on us during the summer as well.
Oh, yes. Let's talk about John, right?
Uh-huh.
All right. So, actually, you know what? Let's talk about Xavier for a second.
What do you mean?
So we...
Help?
So, what happened was that in the beginning, around June, July, he was mostly like, okay. He's like, y'all get on? And then we're like, yeah. And then he's like,
y'all get on?
Yeah. Group chat.
Yeah. Group chat.
Anyway, you'd be like, but summer for the boys. Remember that?
Shut the fuck up.
Summer for the boys. What happened to that?
2 months, I disappear.
2 months, Xavier disappears.
A month, you disappeared as well.
When?
You know when. You disappear on us too.
I don't disappear. I reappear when there's only certain occasions that are going on. When everyone else is there, I'm there. If you're not,
you're queer.
You're just trying to make a rhyme.
Yeah. Don't go back in my heart. I wouldn't if I tried. Let's see. So yeah, that's my fault. That's me being a bitch ass, not telling Justin like I don't want to play with your girlfriend. She's meanie. And I just have nothing but the urge if we ever play a game where I'm able to shoot her and him at the same time, I just do it. Then I'm the one who's a bitch. Why me? I'm just playing the game. Of course, team kills are not part of the game. Siege. And then, as we can see here to our right, we can't see it, but you'll hear it. We can hear a breathing Asian man squinting down, looking at a fucking Instagram. Oh, speaking of which, if you have Instagram, go find Anakin Has Brought Peace and Freedom, and just go follow that. Okay, you'll get daily peace and freedom every day. Subscribe to Cap&Frag podcast. Subscribe to Frag Tempo. Frag_tempo. Or don't. Whatever. Fuck you. And don't subscribe to Cap&23. Subscribe to Iron Poop. Boy,
I took a pull-up.
Subscribe to Iron Up 142. Any news, Justin, from the world? Oh yeah, Hong Kong. Hong Kong's major dump.
Yawn.
Shut the fuck. Let's see. Sex. Penis. Balls. Dick and balls. Balls and dick.
Oh, so speaking if you're living in a cave, Spider-Man is no longer a part of the MCU.
I don't want to talk about it. Oh, yeah, I do. Fuck Disney. Fuck you, Disney. Fuck you. Fuck you. You ruined Simpsons. They're controlling over Simpsons.
I know. They took away Apu.
But I like the poo.
I know. He made fun of his own kind, but now, no more because that's racial discrimination by, who started it.
Kathleen Kennedy. Speaking of Kathleen Kennedy, new Star Wars movie's coming out with Rey.
So yeah, the new trailer.
If you're a nerd, you can skip this. This might take like 10 minutes. 5 minutes.
We'll probably vent about this probably for like 5-10 minutes. It doesn't know. I don't know.
Fuck Star Wars. I hate it. I love it, but I hate it. It's a love-hate relationship.
The sequel. It's the sequels.
Love-hate relationship.
Yeah.
I brought peace, freedom, justice,
and security
to my new empire. Your new empire. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't even want to talk about the fucking Star Wars anymore. I just don't like the sequels anymore. All the characters,
bullshit.
Yeah, they were on I think Jimmy Fallon when I turned on my TV last night to watch football.
Mm-hmm.
They were on they were like special guests. The guys from Star Wars sequel, and I see the Asian chick. I see Finn. I see Rey. I see.
That was lucky.
I see Poe. And then I see someone who's like, who's that one bitch from episode 8? The one
with the purple hair.
Yeah.
Bitch.
Yeah. Anyway, so. They were on there, and I just wanted to. I was curious. I knew I was gonna hate it right away, so I was just like, okay, what is this about? They're all talking about how episode 9 is so great, how they should watch it, and how the sequels are relatively better than the
shut the fuck up
prequels. So they said that it ties into the story perfectly, and how they're coming out with episode 10. Wink, wink. And so they want...
That's not George Lucas's dream.
So here's the thing. They're saying when J.J. Abrams is done with episode 9, the next director, they said, is... They don't know for sure.
It's not Rian Johnson, right?
Kathleen Kennedy.
It's just her? You did know she had a part in... What is it? Oh, fuck. Rogue One, right? Which I guess will be okay.
Producer... is the one who directed episode 7. I don't know his name.
J.J. Abrams.
Was it J.J.?
J.J.
Is it? Okay. Yeah. So, yeah. J.J. Abrams, episode 6, 7, 8.
J.J. Abrams.
9.
I love you. I love your TV shows, Lost and Fringe. Don't know how everything ended up on a church, but you know, if you understand that reference, then hell yeah. You're just as old as I am. But my God, dude. Are you serious? Episode 7? And, I'm not gonna lie. When I first watched episode 7, I liked it. It was pretty good. You know what? And I also give it that episode 7 is still the better ones of the prequels.
Yeah.
Until episode 9 comes out, then I'll judge for sure. Oh, come on. Episode 7's good. Compared to the rest.
Are we talking about just compared to the sequels in general?
Yeah, just sequels in general.
Okay, I thought you were talking about the prequels and, you know.
Yeah, no. Okay, see, this would be fine if I said something like that. But obviously the best one is episode 3. That's my personal favorite. Justin's personal favorite is episode 1 with Jar Jar Binks. Jar Jar Binks! Excuse me!
No, it's not really episode 1.
It's just episode 3, isn't it?
Yeah. Should already know that. I didn't know every single line from it.
It's like my dad knowing every single line from The Rock. Yes. Shut the Who's sending me messages?
Oh, it's Ryan.
What the fuck are you guys doing? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as we can see here, I am currently recording for Snapchat. Don't try to find it, please. Here, we're trying to show what Ryan, aka, what's his username? Yummy Gamer. Yeah. He's white, big old beard, big old hands.
And he's fat.
And a mama's boy.
Fat.
He's not fat. But he a mama's boy. And he'll take all y'all women. So come take him.
He's single.
For granted.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, Elton John is gay. We could never really keep. We need to figure something out in the future. Like go off a script or something like that. But Justin,
Yeah.
what is time? What is time?
It's 12:35.
No. What's your definition of time?
Oh. It's 12:35.
You fucking hoe. I'm trying to put like a midlife crisis in your head right now.
Oh, time going too fast. That we're growing older by the minute. Did you guys know that GTA came out in 2013 and then it's now 2019? So it came out 6 years ago and it's still active with a new thing that called the casino. Did you also know
It's fucking trash.
that the PlayStation, I think PlayStation 3 or 2 was the longest selling device that was ever bought? Pretty sure. It's like when Kenny Loggins says we won the Cold War with a guitar solo, I think.
Yeah, we won the world with the guitar solo. That's just how it's meant to be. I'm Kenny Loggins. He just got into a fight with Elton John. Things are definitely getting weird here. Saturday. Okay, you know what? Since we're on the topic of GTA,
Yeah, might as well, right?
we've been haunted for the past month, 2 months, month and a half.
Month and a half.
We've been playing GTA Live ever since the new update came out. And, my God.
Just put it on silent, please.
It's Ryan. Ryan says, what the fuck? Yes. Okay, anyways, we ever since the day I've been playing GTA, Justin and I have been listening to rock radio with
Los
your
Santos
host,
Rock Radio.
DJ Lockins. Anyways, ever since, it's just like some minor inconveniences here and there. It's like, I heard this in GTA a couple times. And then Justin, I talked to you like, hey, have you been hearing GTA music play on the regular radio here and there? And he's like, yeah. And ever since we started working at our new job, and it's been nothing but 95.9, The River.
Good station.
Longest loop of all time.
Anyway.
We hear it.
Yeah.
We hear it. Black Velvet comes on. Kansas comes on.
Kansas always goes on, though.
Yeah, but it's still GTA 5.
Yeah. I don't really hear
Radio
Kansas.
Gaga comes on.
Radio Gaga comes on a lot. The one thing that never came on, but the only thing that came on during the radio in GTA was always Black Velvet. That was the first one that I had never heard on regular radio. The second one
was Saturday.
Okay, so that one came on.
I have not heard it on the radio from 95. You have?
I have. Yeah.
And did you immediately think GTA?
No.
Not until I mentioned it.
Not until you mentioned it, and then I was like, oh shit, they're playing it a lot then. The other one that they don't really play that much on the radio is Night Moves.
And Hollywood Nights.
Rockin' Me.
Oh my god.
The Shadows of the Night.
We're running from I played
the
that.
last one that I can't wait for is I Can't Wait.
I can't wait. And I think Higher Love started playing there too. I don't remember. Give me a minute. Let me just look up the playlist. For damn sure, Dirt. 30 Days in a Hole. Oh, ZZ Top. Give me all your lovin'.
Give me all your lovin'. There you
That's definitely a Sunday. Something I never heard on the radio. Lonely is the Night. I never thought it would be on there.
Lonely is the Night?
Mm-hmm. Billy Squire.
Yeah, that's more like of a...
Late night.
Late night.
And haven't you noticed that the late night host for 95.9 sounds like the British woman for Nonstop FM?
You mean, Sam James? Some shit.
Yeah, it's the British chick for 95.9.
Yeah.
And then you compare it to the nonstop FM, it sounds like her.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh shit. This is nonstop FM, or 95.9.
Right.
They just started playing Dirty White Boy live on the live version
That's the one I never
here.
ever heard until now. So yeah,
Mississippi Queen, Cats in the Cradle, always there. But we always think of GTA no matter what.
yeah, and it's really haunting us. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like the more that we do stuff,
The more it just somehow pops up. And I'm over here trying to embrace it, while Justin over here is trying to run as fast and far away as he can.
we're running from the
Shadows of the night. Send me an angel right now.
Oh my god! You know we're gonna get monetized.
Like, we're ever gonna get monetized in the first place?
We can because we just made a new YouTube channel.
Oh, good point. But we still need 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can get that for us eventually. I just need to find a link. Anyway, so we're gonna have to wrap it up because I gotta go to an anime soon. So I don't know if Xavier wants to be here still, but it's under my name. So if you want to rent it out,
I have no personality when I'm just on my own. I'm like a sad fucker in reality.
aren't we all? Huh?
Yeah, aren't we all?
Yeah.
So if we try to talk on our own, I'd probably just be sitting here in silence for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And then just like saying some deep shit like, time is just a construct of our minds. And the longer we wait, it's the longer we grow older, the more gray hairs that starts to build in.
Okay,
And
I
then
think we should stop. So anyway, episode 1.
We're going to die.
Episode 1 is going to be posted shortly. And
None of this matters of life if just time continues forward.
okay,
If time continues, we don't continue.
We're gonna end it.
Everything relies on time.
We're just gonna end it here.
Everything relies on time. I rely on time. We're all on time limit.
Stop it. We're gonna end it right here, okay?
We're running from the shadows of the night. So baby, take my time. It's a construct.